morning. Today we are going to take a practical on mini oil expeller. In that mini oil expeller, we are going to extract the oil from groundnut, and this is made up of the company Sonar, which is an ISO 9000 and 9015 certified company. So this is laboratory model made up of the mild steel completely. Today we are going to cover what are the constructional parts are there and how it works, and what are the precautions and troubleshooting you have to consider while doing operating entire process of oil extraction. Okay guys, so let's start with the components. One by one I will explain. This is the feeder inlet from which the groundnut, the bunch of groundnuts is going to put inside the barrel of the screw, which is coming from the hopper. This is called as hopper. From that hopper, one feeding unit is there. You can come and see. From that hopper, your groundnut is directly approaches to the barrel case. In that barrel case, so this hopper is made up of mild steel, which is having angle of repose of 8 degree or 8 to 9 degree. So this angle of repose is sufficient to hold 250 gram of groundnut, and 250 almost 250-300 gram of groundnut we can fill up one batch wise. Now this is a continuous type extraction process, and after the hopper, the secondary component is, you can see that from here. This is the extraction unit. In that extraction unit, this is heater coil. We have to supply the heater coil. We have to supply the heat before going to extract the oil to remove the excess moisture over the surface of the groundnuts. And if we supply the heat, it is very easy to extract the oil, because once we provide the preheat to the component, so the extraction process is very simple. So for that case, you can come and see that कि यहाँ पे एक button दिया हुआ है. From that heater, we have to start this heater before 10 minutes of the extraction process. Oil निकालने से पहले 10 मिनट पहले हमें इस बटन को start कर देना होगा. After that we have to see, consider that कि ये जो barrel है, ये barrel properly insert हो जाना चाहिए. This is the barrel. In that barrel, you can see that now I have fitted the barrel. In that barrel, one screw again, which is the main component, here. So once again we will use this barrel here. So we have taken already one experiment, that's why it is repeated. So minimize the turbulences. So due to that heated mechanism, both the components are very high in temperature. Okay, now, so this is the troubleshooting and precautions. We have to use the hand gloves, which is provided by company. You cannot use the homemade hand gloves because it is heat proof. So what are the high temperatures are there, so you can withhold these high temperatures during the operation process. Now you see that we have fitted successfully the barrel and the screw inside. In that barrel, the diameter of that barrel is almost of 8 mm. 7 is the internal and outer is the 8 mm. So this is the king pin. This king pin is provided to hold the barrel and the screw simultaneously inside the casing. So you can fit this king pin from this side. This side you can fit. So you see that we have fitted successfully the barrel and the screw inside the casing. Once again you can come and see that what are the main components. This is the heater. This is the feeder inlet. This is called as a barrel. Inside that barrel we have fitted one screw mechanism, and that is the main casing. The clearance between barrel and screw is directly giving you the extraction efficiency. Okay, we will going to see that how much from 1 kg of the groundnut, how much oil is extracted, how much groundnut cake will form. Entire calculation हम देखने वाले हैं. So let's without wasting a time, we will start the practical. So put it for 10 minutes preheating. So you can see that we are on the heater. Now we will wait for 10 minutes. Okay, let's continue. We have filled up this hopper with the groundnuts, and our heating process is also started very well. Now you can come and see that there are 3 squeezing operations are there. One at the bottom, squeezing will start press, then at the middle it will be off, and if it is at the top, that means a reverse squeezing will take place. So reverse squeezing कब करना है हमें? During a cleaning type, हमें clean करने के लिए इंटरनल मैकेनिज्म को रिवर्स में रोटेट करना होता है. तो यहाँ पे ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. इन दैट ऑप्शन यू कैन रिवर्स स्क्वीजिंग विल टेक्स प्लेस. तो यहाँ पे हमें बॉटम में स्टार्ट कर देना है ये प्रोसेस. यू कम एंड सी दैट योर ऑयल विल बी एक्सपेल फ्रॉम दिस काइंड ऑफ बॉटम. नाउ द प्रोसेस इज स्टार्टेड. Okay, now it started. You can see that the groundnut cake is coming from this end, and the oil is, you see that from the bottom oil is dropping successfully. So this is the extraction mechanism. So this is the complete process of extraction of the oil. So I hope that you will understand the entire process of the extraction of oil from the mini laboratory oil expeller. So now the calculation part is there. I will make a separate video on the calculation part कि 1 kg में कितना extraction of oil हो, recovery हो, और कितना wastage गया. That is oil cake. You can see that. And how cleaning will be takes place. Entire thing I will cover in the next practice.